Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mrs. Messy Bun. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mrs. Messy Bun. In today's video I am going to show you my DIY hair oil. This hair oil helps in premature graying, hair thinning, itchy scalp. It will get rid of everything. The ingredients I am using helps in growing your hair, reduce hair fall, premature graying, and if you have itchy scalp, that will also get rid of it. I apply this oil all over my hair and my scalp. I massage it nicely and make it as a top bun. Dip my turkey towel in nice hot water, squeeze the excess one and wrap around my hair. That will help the hair follicles open up and help the oil to get into the roots. Usually I will use a shower cap that is like turkey towel. You can use the regular towel that you use every day. I will show you how to make this oil. Come on, let's get into the video. So this is what I am using. It's coconut oil from Dollar Tree. Don't judge me. I use this coconut oil for hair, and even I have one in my bathroom for body scrub. I'll mix this with coffee powder and use it as a body scrub. So this is a good one. I'm not using it for cooking. Hair oil. So this is like 200 ml, and pour completely inside this. Keep the heat in medium flame and do the oil. You don't want the onion to be fried up like we do for biryanis or anything else. So I'm doing some handful of onion. So you can see the onions getting fried up. You don't want it to brown. Don't brown it. It has to become translucent. The onion juice has to really blend in the oil. So just keep the heat in the medium flame and do this, otherwise the onions will be brown. So you can see the onions all becoming curled up. So now I am going to keep the heat low, and I am going to start putting all the powders that I am using. 1 spoon of curry leaf powder. You can also use fresh leaves, that will also be good. I usually use fresh leaves, but now I have a powder, so I'm just using that. And this is, we call it Karislankani. We call it Karislankani or Bringraj. Then goes avarampu powder. This powder has a really good smell. I really love the smell. So I'll just use a teeny tiny extra. So this is going to sit for another 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes I would say. So each powder has its own properties. Curry leaves as iron, it will help in regrowth and give you that natural black color for your hair. Then Karslangani or Bringraj will help your hair regrow for thinning. You can use that if your hair is thinning or if your hair is falling too much. And Avarampu, as I said, it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. It will help for dandruff, itchy scalp. Mainly, I am going to use fenugreek. I don't have fenugreek powder. If I have fenugreek powder, I would have added it now itself. But I have whole fenugreek, so after I switch off the heat, I will add the fenugreek, so it will be that heat is enough for the fenugreek to infuse in the oil. So it's been cooking for like 5 to 7 minutes, and this is enough. Anyway, the heat of the pan will cook the oil more, and you don't need to be have a burnt oil smell. So I'm going to switch off that, and now I'm going to add some fenugreek. So until the oil is cooled down, that fenugreek benefits will be infused in the oil. Just transfer it to the bottle. It's okay. It will all settle down in the bottle, under the bottle, so it's okay, no problem. Still, you can see I have so much left out. Now the oil is all ready. You can use it right away. Actually, it's a beautiful green color with yellow tint. You try it out and let me know the results. See you all in the next video. Bye.